everyone, welcome back to Math to the Radha. Today we are going to learn how to add and subtract fractions. So let's get started. So first of all we are going to start with addition. Okay. Now when adding fractions with common denominator, we add the numerator. Suppose in here you have a common denominator. Yeah. So when you have common denominator, you just need to add the numerator and then just keep your denominator as same as it is. Like over here, they have the common denominator which is 8. So in the answer, they will put 8. Okay. And if you have common denominator, you just need to add the numerator which is 4 and 1. When you add this, you'll get 5. Okay, like when you have common denominator, that will be like easy to add. Okay, if your answer is not in a simplest form, we must simplify it. Like over here, wait a second, this is already in a simplest form, we can't simplify it more. Yeah, but what if your answer is not in a simplest form? Like here, it is not in a simplest form, we need to simplify it. Okay, how we can simplify? Just like divide that. Okay, like in the table of 4, 8 comes at 2, so like cut it and put over here 1 and 2. So yeah, here you can just like divide it with 4. When you will divide it with 4, the answer that it will like simplify. This is how you can simplify it, like this. Just divide it with 4 and you will get this simplification. This is how you can simplify it, just like dividing by 4. Okay, now here is what we, when our denominators do not match. Suppose your denominators are not same, they are different. So in that case, you need to find the lowest common denominator. Yes, the lowest common denominator, I will going to tell you. Suppose here you have denominator as 3 and 4. You have these two denominators, there is no common denominator, so you don't know what to keep denominator in your answer. Okay, so in that case you need to find the lowest common denominator, which is like, to find the lowest common denominator you just need to first of all find the common denominator, like common number. So for that, like here this is lowest common denominator. Yeah, so to find the common denominator, what you need to do is firstly find the common number. Like let me just tell you, lowest common number, like first of all find 3 and then 4, like this. So first of all you need to find the multiple of 3. So 1, like the table of 3. So 1, 3, it is like 6, then we have 9, then we have 12. Okay, then we have 15. Yeah, like this. And now we need to find the multiples of 4. So we have here 1, 4, then we have 8, then we have 12, then we have 16, and then we have 20. So these are the multiples of 3 and these are the multiples of 4. Now in this you need to find the common multiples. Like over here 1 is the common. Yeah, so the common multiples are 1, comma, then you have 3 is not common, nor 4. 6 don't have any common number, 9 also don't have any common, but over here as you can see 12 is the common. So yeah, now except 1, because 1 is the one in it comes in every number, like 1 is the multiple of each and every number. So except that we have over here 12. It means 12 is the common denominator over here. It means 12 is the LCD, least common denominator. Okay, so in the this there will be 12. Okay, now you have 12. Now what you need to do is, now you need to see what you will multiply with 3 to get 12. Okay, so what you will multiply with 3 to get 12, because 3 was your like first number. So what you will multiply with this to get 12? So over here you need to multiply. They're saying that over here you need to multiply 4 with 3 to get 12. Yeah, so the same number you need to multiply with uh, 3 to get 12. You need to multiply the same number over with numerator, which is 4. Like let me just tell you, I'm just trying to say you in simple words. Like, first of all, see, here you have 1 by 3. Yeah, now see, now divide 12 by 3. Like, what you need to multiply with 3 to get 12, which is 4. Okay, when you multiply 3 with 4, you get 12. Now you multiply 4 in the denominator to get 12. Yeah, now multiply same number, the 4, on the numerator. Like, if you will multiply 1 with 4, you will get 4. Yeah, now you need to do same with the second number, second fraction, which was 4. So what you will need to multiply with 4 to get 12? You need to multiply 3. So now multiply the same 3 on the numerator. Like, you have 1 by 4. So multiply 1 with 3. So you will get 3. Okay. Now you need to multiply 4 by 12 and 3 by 12. You have, now you have the same denominator. Yeah, now just add the numerators, which is 7. And yeah, here's your answer. Now your answer is 7 by 12. Now if you can simplify it, you can simplify it, but in this case the answer is already in the simplified form, so you don't need to simplify. Okay, let's just move to the next one. Now let's do subtraction. Okay, these fractions have common denominators, so we subtract the numerators. We need to do same as we did in addition. So these fractions have the same denominator, so just you need to subtract the numerator, which is, when you subtract 2 from 5, you will get 3. So yeah, 3 by 7 is your answer. Okay, and then suppose your uh, your this your denominator is not same. So in that case, you need to find the lowest common denominator. Okay, so when you will find the lowest common denominator, like over here you just need to find the multiples of 5, which is like 1, 5, and then you have 10, 15, 20, 25, 30. Okay, like this. Then you need to find the multiples of 6, which is 1, 6, 12, 1, 6, 12. You just need to like multiply it. So 1, 1, 6 1 the 6, 6 2, 6 1 the 6, 6 2 the 12, 6 is the 18, 6 4 the 24. You just need to find the multiples. Okay, so over like this. So you have here 1, 6, 12, 18, 24, and then 30. Now you can see you have the common number, which is 30. Yeah, now you have the common number, which is 30. So it means your lowest common denominator is 30. Okay, Now what you need to do is you need to see what you will multiply with 6 to get 30. You multiply 5. Okay, now multiply the same number, like multiply 5 with numerator. So whatever you get, keep it that in numerator like this. Okay, now do the same with other fraction. What you will multiply with 5 to get 30? You multiply 6. Now multiply 6 with the numerator, and then you will get 6. Like whatever number you get, keep that in numerator. Then what you need to do is you need to add these two fractions. You don't need to add these two fractions. You need to add these two fractions because these two fraction has the common denominator. Okay, so over here you when you add these two fractions, sorry, in this case you are subtracting, so you need to subtract. When you subtract these two fractions, you will get 19 by 30. So yeah, this is how you can add and subtract fractions. So remember, when the denominators are same, we add or subtract the numerators only. If the denominators are not same, we can use equivalent fraction. Equivalent fraction means find the lowest common denominator. So yeah, this is how you can just like find the uh, you can just like find how you can add and subtract fractions. So that's all for today. I hope this video helps you to understand the concept of adding and subtracting fractions. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more math videos. If you have any question, leave them in comments. I'm definitely going to answer that. And thanks for watching. See you in the next video. So yeah, bye bye, tada.